The salt pond at Orient Bay is a special place. For over 100 years, the people of French Quarter produced salt there. You can still see a few structures remaining from this work. It ended in the 1950s. Today, this pond is a beautiful natural space that is important to many plants and animals. Mangrove trees are a key species that provides habitat and food for animals both above and below the water. The rich sand and mud provides food for snails and fiddler crabs. Fish, shrimp, and other animals live in the water, passing back and forth between the sea and the pond. All of these animals provide food for birds. Some birds live here all year. Others fly down to spend the winter months on this pond. Their amazing journeys, thousands of miles each year, connect this little island to North America. In the summer of 2018, local birder Binky Van Ness spotted a couple unusual visitors, 2 flamingos. Flamingos forage in shallow ponds like this one. They filter shrimp, insects, and other food from the water using their bill. Long ago, flamingos lived in salt ponds all over the region. According to one author, the last flamingo on St. Martin was seen in this very spot in 1932. Others remember seeing flamingos here in the 70s and 80s, at least occasionally. Around this time, the last flamingos in this part of the Caribbean were disappearing. In the 1990s, flamingos were reintroduced to Anegada and other places in the Virgin Islands. Since then, their population has grown from a handful to hundreds, and they've started to spread. Flamingos have been seen on Anguilla, 1 or 2 at a time in recent years. Now they've made it to St. Martin. Will these beautiful birds stay on St. Martin? If trends continue, flamingos will be regular visitors here. If we are lucky and preserve this habitat for them, someday we may have a permanent colony living here and raising their chicks as they did so many years ago.